What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando, and Icebreaker is now open. But that's not why we're here. There's actually some exciting stuff going on as the 2023 roller coaster is a go. We're going to show you some of that progress. What is this that I see? Work walls? Yes, that's right. Project Penguin is going to be happening. The 2023 roller coaster is a go. And you can see the work walls are right here next to the parking lot. This coaster is going to be near the front entrance of the park. The crews are getting ready. Now, in the past, we've showed you some markings around the area, and here's one of them right there. You can see the nail in the ground, just like all the other coaster projects we've covered. Well, that right there are some of the first beginnings of it. You can see a large area already fenced up. A couple of the areas, well, don't have the cover on just yet. And no gates, but very, very soon. But hey, look, more markings on the ground right there. And right there also. Kind of crazy to think in a couple months, this is all going to be gone. We're going to have steel up in the air right here. And yet another marking right here. We can see the paint and then the nail. Right there. And yeah, it is super busy here at the park. We had Vanilla Ice here yesterday, and Village people are here tonight. Line for the ticket windows is insane. Took us almost 20 minutes to park, but the line to get into the park, well, doesn't look too bad. This entire area walkway by Bayside Stadium is going to be closed off, if not already, very, very soon. And we're going to have some sort of covering here on the fence, just like last time. Before COVID happened, well, we had equipment on site, walls were starting to go up, and everything got put to a halt. But now, we're going to start seeing a ramp up in construction. Yep, like usual, not much of a wait to get through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Here is the height check sign and Sky Tower all by its lonesome now, 48 inches, because Icebreaker is now over here under 54. Have we said it's busy? Well, it is. Over here by the restrooms, however, though, there's something new. So this is the SeaWorld Pharma Box. So you can get anything from toothpaste to toothbrushes, sunscreen, ibuprofen, and the likes. But that's kind of neat that this is here. Recently, an email went out to SeaWorld employees saying the pathway to Bayside Stadium, yep, is closed. Don't go back there. And very soon, I expect, we're going to see some markings in this area. Keep an eye out for it. The Seven Seas Food Festival is going on, so if you want some good eats and drinks, you know where to go. Flamecraft Bar, and just over here, more fences are up. Soon to have coverings. But again, this is going to be a large, large coaster. You can see Keep Clear right there. Some lines on the ground, other markings. Exciting stuff, guys. It's actually happening. It's kind of weird. We're coming off a lot of projects recently, and now we're about to start a brand new one. In previous videos, we've shown you where the site is going to be, from pretty much right there all the way across over here to Bayside Stadium. Right there. That is a massive site for a rumored B&M surf coaster project. What that is, well, we'll see. Sky Tower, and the paint job looks amazing. We have the SeaWorld emblem up at the very top, and we're hearing it's going to be reopening very soon as crew members are beginning to get hired for it. Icebreaker over there just opened up, and of course we have the stage for the concerts. Again, tonight, going to be Village people, had Vanilla Ice. There's plenty of other artists. If you want to check them out, go to SeaWorld's website. Let's go see something new and interesting with Icebreaker, though. Kind of surprised by this one. Over here at the Icebreaker gift shop, we have some new merchandise. Nano Coaster has been here, but we can see the model on display right there. Some of them there. And then we have this print with a coin. It's kind of neat. Highland Mint. Let's see how much this bad boy is. That is $100. Another one up here. Just the coin. It's got stats on the back and everything too. Looks good. And check out this line for Icebreaker. Yeah, I think it was a good addition to the park. But again, there's something interesting we need to show you. All right, look at this line. Lots of happy guests. But right after opening day, something interesting happened. Well, the height requirement changed to 54 inches. This was marketed as a family roller coaster, and now some of those kiddos can't ride. And there's some very intense roller coasters just down the road that have lesser height requirements. Interesting. I'm sure it must be disappointing to some families that had a different height requirement in mind that we had reported in some of our previous videos, and they show up and it's 54 inches. I've already seen quite a few kids turned away, unfortunately. The area over here by Wild Arctic, well, has live music.
Hey,
Icebreaker doing its thing, thrilling guests. And right over here we have the pathway that leads to the concerts. Also, during the summer, we have Electric Ocean usually. It's going to be interesting how the park plans on, well, managing all the guests after some of the events when there's a lot of construction going on. Let's take a ride on Icebreaker, shall we? The line is currently to right here. Shows 45 minutes. We'll see how long it actually takes. And here we are, back row. Only took about 35 minutes to get on. Let's do this. So just got off Icebreaker again, about maybe a 35-minute wait, was showing 45, and it's running amazing right now. Guests are really enjoying it. Everybody's coming off smiling. As far as the ride, it's a hit. Just kind of weird that it's got the different height requirement now. Let's go check out some other stuff around the park though. Work walls are up around the ice cream parlor. What? Confirmed, Giga. It's gonna happen. Infinity Falls is in operation. Getting people on the bridge soaked a little bit. It's got over an hour wait currently. Well, we told you the Seven Seas Food Festival was going on. We can see one of the markets here, Brazilian market. Tons of awesome food around the entire park. If you've never been, you gotta get here. Mediterranean market. There's also an Ireland one. Asian market, plenty of others too. Oh yeah, have we said the park's busy? Mako! It's doing its thing right now, has over a 45-minute wait. Ouch. You can see the ride running right there. Doing pretty good. But how did you lose your glasses right there? You were so close to the end of the ride. All right, now this is a booth I can get behind. Coaster Cocktails. Yes, that's right. Check it out. They have Icebreaker, Kraken, Manta, and Mako right there. Sky Tower. And we already know it's closed. No! But again, very soon, hopefully, we'll be reopening. Looks like all we have left to do is a little bit of training and cleanup, testing, and then we're ready to run. Kraken, no longer unleashed, and it has a brand new paint job. Let's go take a ride, shall we? Yeah, not. I don't know. Paint looks all right in my opinion. Some people don't like it. I just like that they're trying to improve the rides. Journey to Atlantis, and we told you in a recent video that it was going to be down for maintenance as they're installing new track pieces. You can see a sign right there, and no water on. And I spy with my little eye a crane. So I'm thinking those track pieces that are getting replaced are in the splashdown area possibly. And check it out, we have a couple maintenance guys right here. doing work on one of the lifts. Everyone, say hello to the new Journey to Atlantis track pieces. They're on site. Manta, and it's looking spiffy. In our previous update, we showed you that they were still doing some painting. Wasn't 100% complete, but now it is. It looks beautiful. Ooh, look at just how shiny it is. Okay, I lied. They still have a little bit of cleanup left to do. And over here, still have some barricades up and a lift in the air. I expect this is all going to be gone very soon though. Just in case if any of you were wondering, Manta's currently 40-minute wait. Last but not least, we always have to check up on our pink chickens. Where are they? This is unacceptable. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando, and well, exciting stuff as the 2023 roller coaster is on. Fences are going up, we've seen markings, and I cannot wait to cover yet another roller coaster here at the park. Of course, we have Seven Seas Food Festival going on. Icebreaker had a couple interesting changes, and well, Journey to Atlantis is also getting some work with track replacement. Of course, we have the Manta flying by right now. And as always, we appreciate you watching the videos. Hopefully you like what we do. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, Midway Mayhem. Bye.